Welcome back to the channel, party people. My name is Daryl Wilson. Today in this video, I'm going to give you guys a complete rundown of all the best booking plugins and themes for WordPress. In this video, we'll be talking about all the type of different bookings, right? We'll be talking about general booking, car rental bookings, hotel bookings, and even Airbnb style bookings for your WordPress website. Now, I've been working on this video for about 2 weeks. I've been testing the ins and outs of a lot of these plugins and themes. That's right, there are 2 themes on this list that you guys will see. And I narrowed my list down to 10 products I think you guys are gonna really find helpful if you guys want to create a booking style website. Now, the link to these plugins are in the description below, so you guys can go ahead and check those out. But let me go ahead and give you guys my review on the top 10 best booking plugins for WordPress. First up, Booknetic. Booknetic is one of the newer booking plugins to hit the WordPress market. Out of all the booking plugins, this has the best UI and UX design. The booking process with Booknetic is really easy. You first pick a location, then you select the staff, then select the service. You can also offer additional services and extras, then simply pick a date and time, then you input your information and pay and go. It's one of the easiest booking plugins with a modern interface to accept bookings. I'll be honest, out of all the booking plugins I've seen, this plugin has the best user experience on this list. Booknetic also has tons of integrations like custom customer panels, ratings, reviews, coupons, recurring appointments, and even a multi-vendor option which allows your staff or other businesses to create bookings on your website where you can also charge a commission. This plugin is ideal for general bookings like doctor's appointments, gym trainers, babysitters, dog walkers, or something general. The pricing is also very fair. You can get the plugin and all of the features for $79, and that's a one-time payment. It also has great ratings, so it's worth taking a look at. Next up, Amelia. Amelia is one of the most popular booking plugins for WordPress. They've been around for quite some time, and they also have a good reputation for being a reliable plugin. Before I get started, this plugin does have a free version in the WordPress repository, so you can check it out before you buy it. The booking process with this plugin is pretty simple and straightforward, and also easy to navigate. The customer first selects the service, the employee, and on the right side, they can pick a date and time that works best for them. And on the next section, they get an overview about what they have booked. You can also add custom fields by asking your customers questions like, are they pregnant, or how many guests they want to bring. They can simply pay for the booking and add this to the Google Calendar. It's a very easy booking process. Amelia also presents directory styles of booking, where if you have large amounts of employees or services, you can present them in a directory manner where users can navigate through a list of available bookings. You can also present bookings in specific categories. There is also an event feature which allows you to offer event-style bookings and present them as events. Customers and staff also get their own panel where they can see a list of the bookings and if they were approved. The customer portal is a little basic compared to the other plugins, but it'll work just fine. This plugin is one of my favorites. It's very versatile and there's various ways on how to present your booking form. The pricing is also pretty fair. You can buy the plugin for around $60 a year or purchase a lifetime plan. I do have a discount code for this plugin and I'll leave that in the description below of this video. Next up, Latepoint. This is an all-around good booking plugin I came across. The booking plugin is really simple and they've really created a nice modern touch to it, similar to Booknetic. You simply select the service, then you can select a sub-service. You can also pick from extra services in case you wanted to offer that. You'll then be prompted to select an agent or any agent. Next, you'll be able to click on the date and then a drop-down will appear showing which dates are available on the right side. Notice here how the information is stacked so you can see the booking as you book it. I do like that. The customer will then input their information where they'll have the option to pay now or pay later at the establishment. What's also cool is you can pay in deposits or in partial amounts. Latepoint also does have a really nice dashboard where you can see a list of your appointments, services, agents, and other various settings. I like how this is neatly organized for you and your staff. I really do like the dashboard for this plugin. However, there is one drawback. This plugin offers upsells as additional add-ons that you'll have to purchase. For example, if you want to allow custom fields or customer messages, you'll have to pay per add-on per year. What I do like though is they do offer tons of payment gateways, but Stripe and PayPal are included for free. The booking plugin also offers a roadmap so you can see what they're working on and also suggests certain features. The plugin starts at around $79. Next up, Bookly. Bookly is the most popular booking plugin on ThemeForest. However, I do want to mention before we go on any further that Bookly does also offer a free version in the WordPress repository, so you can check it out. It is free, but with strong limitations. Bookly is a straightforward and simple booking process. You first select the service, then you select the time, you can insert any details, make the payments, and you're all set. I also do like how Bookly looks on mobile. It's really simple and clean. Now there are some things that I really want to critique about this plugin. The backend dashboard looks very old and outdated and has not been updated in some time. They also have not added many features, and the features they do offer, they offer them as additional add-ons that you'll have to purchase outside of the plugin. You also have very limited payment gateway options. There is only PayPal and Stripe checkout. However, these payment gateways force the customer to leave your website. If you want the customer to stay and book on your website, you'll be forced to purchase an additional add-on, which is PayPal standard checkout and the Stripe integration, which both come at additional fees. However, regardless of all the add-ons and the business model, the plugin itself has tons of functionality and features. This plugin has also been around for quite some time, so the plugin does have a good history of responding to support requests. The initial Pro version costs $89, but just remember to check the add-on to see what you'll have to pay before you purchase the Pro version. Next up, Booked. Booked is another premium plugin for WordPress. The booking process for this plugin is also pretty straightforward. Customers can book on a calendar where they can click on the dates, and then a drop-down menu will appear where they can select the number of bookings. Your customers will then input their information and the booking is confirmed. The booking form also displays in a few different styles. There is a calendar view that allows people to book on your website as a calendar view. There is also a listing view where this will display a list of available bookings on your website as a list grid. One drawback is the backend for this plugin is not really that helpful. It does show the pending appointments, calendars, but it's hard to understand where to go or even where to start. I would definitely recommend the developers create a setup wizard for this plugin. Now let's talk about hotel bookings. First up, Vikbooking. If you're using any theme or page builder, this is definitely the plugin for you. This plugin has a really smooth booking process and it feels like a solid hotel booking process. The customer can select the check-in and checkout dates. They can also select how many guests, how many rooms, and then they'll click on Book Now. Your visitors will then be presented with a really nice list of rooms available. Here you can offer amenities, show how many suggested guests per room, create urgency notices, and also discounts. It also displays a step process to help navigate your visitors. When a user selects a room, they can pick from various options. This can be anything like a basic room, deluxe room, or villa suites, and there's also additional options and upsells for every hotel room. This plugin integrates with the channel manager, which allows your room to be submitted to websites like Expedia.com, Booking.com, Airbnb, and other websites. This is probably one of the best standalone plugins for creating a hotel booking websites. Now these next two products are not plugins, but they are themes. However, they can be used for hotels, house rentals, or even Airbnb rental style websites. First up, the Nuss Theme. Now if you're looking for a complete solution like a WordPress theme, I would recommend taking a look at this new theme called Nuss. This premium WordPress theme comes with 9 templates and also comes with its own booking integration system. The layout looks great. You can see a list of the hotels, the amenities, availability, details, and they can also book right away. The Nuss theme also has a really smooth checkout process. You can select the rooms, select the checkouts, then you can select additional services, pay with credit card, and your guests are on your way. This theme is also fully responsive on all devices, comes with translation plugins, and also integrates with WooCommerce. It also has its own header and footer builder. If you want to create an Airbnb, rental, or a hotel booking website, this theme is definitely worth taking a look at. Next up, Listio. Another theme to allow bookings on your website is Listio. Listio also allows you to create a multi-vendor booking websites, and this is ideal for larger booking websites. With this WordPress theme, you can create your own Airbnb, Booking.com, or even your own Yelp. This is a fully functional multi-vendor classified ad website with booking integrations, so the possibilities are endless. The Listio theme also offers booking rentals, booking tickets, extra services, coupons, and multi-vendor integrations. This is probably one of the most diverse booking themes I've ever seen. I personally have bought this theme and tried it, and the features are pretty helpful. The price starts at around $79, and they also do have a one theme setup just in case you need help getting started with this WordPress theme. These next products are more geared for car rentals. First up, Motors. The Motors theme is one of the best-selling themes for car rentals on ThemeForce. They recently had an update that integrates Elementor with all of their demos. With this WordPress theme, you can offer rentals, sell additional services, or even create a directory listing for cars. You can even offer a multi-vendor directory website with booking integrations for those of you who want to get really customizable. The demos look great, and this will give you a lot of ideas on how to approach your car rental website. The price starts at around $79, and this is a one-time fee. Next up, the VikRental plugin. VikRental offers daily, weekly, monthly rentals, additional extras, and even insurance options for vehicles. This plugin also does have a free version, so you can get started with that before you want to buy it. With this plugin, you can set pickup locations, pickup dates, drop-off dates, and also create categories. After you select your options, the plugin will then show you and display a list of available cars. From here, you can select a list of options like different pricing options, deposits, and other custom fields. On the checkout form, it displays pickup locations, drop-off locations, coupon codes, and even allows PIN codes for frequent customers. This is one plugin you might want to take a look at when building a car rental website. So what did you guys think of those booking plugins? Have you guys used them on your websites? Have you had experience with them? I've actually used a lot of these plugins. I have a few videos and tutorials on these plugins. If you guys are gonna ask me which plugin to use for my booking websites, it's really hard to say. I would have to say I do like Amelia. I feel like Amelia is basic, yet also it's simple. Booknetic as well. I love their interface. Bookly is good. I like the interface of Bookly. It's simple, but at the same time, I don't like all the add-ons and stuff like that. The other plugins that are very useful, like for example, hotel bookings, you can't go wrong with Vikbooking. So again, all these plugins on this list are good. That's why I labeled this video the top 10 best booking plugins you guys can use for WordPress. But let me know what you guys think of these booking plugins, and also if this video helped you guys out. My name is Daryl Wilson, and I will see all of you party people in the next video, guys. Take care.